welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Dalgona Matcha instead of Dalgona Coffee. So this time it's doing this very foamy matcha and then ice cube and milk. So very similar consistency to the Dalgona Coffee with this very creamy, frothy kind of consistency. And yeah, so it's super easy to make. There's two ways of making the Dalgona matcha version. One is to use egg white and the second one is to use heavy cream. So it's up to you. Personally, I'm not a fan of drinking stuff that are raw. So I rather go with the heavy cream option. It's really good. So I did an extra topping of the matcha drizzle that I showed you guys before. That's optional, obviously. Kind of like if you want to drizzle some like caramel on top of your Dalgona, but yeah, it just makes the matcha flavor that much stronger. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this recipe yields around 2 to 4 cups of Dalgona matcha depending on how much you put in each cup. And so if you're just making it for yourself, you can just half the amount of the recipe in here, which means like 100 milliliters of cream and just 1 tablespoon of the sugar and matcha powder. Anyways, if you're interested, keep on watching! So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments below which one you guys prefer, the Dalgona Coffee or the Dalgona Matcha. Personally, I like the matcha more just because I like matcha more than coffee. But both of them are super creamy, frothy, delicious. You guys should give both of them a try. Different ways of drinking it. You can drink it with the foam at the top like this without mixing it. So that every single sip you have a lot of foam and also the milk that washes it all down, which is pretty nice. Another way is for you to stir it. So we just watch the color mix together. I am a matcha person, so I do prefer this Dalgona Matcha version more. It kind of reminds me of drinking milk tea after it's been blended. I mean, matcha is tea and it's milk and cream, so in a way it is milk tea. But yeah, it's very light despite using heavy cream. I feel like it's a pretty light drink. For myself, the sugar level, I put 2 tablespoons for 200 ml. So you can decide how much you want when you mix it with the mixer. Oh, and make sure don't over mix it. Stop when you see soft peak. You don't want to overmix this because if you overmix the mixture, it's just going to turn out like whipping cream, which is really hard and, well, not hard, but very dense, and like the texture wouldn't be the same anymore. I actually overmixed it one time, so I'll show you a video of what it looked like. But yeah, don't overmix it. It does not taste as good. Yep, so that's pretty much my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Look at this. Ah. I honestly love watching this. Eee! Okay.